I thought it would be helpful to do a side-by-side comparison of two Dethatchers. Now the yellow one here is the Rock&Rocker, and this is the 16-inch version. They also have a 15-inch version. They're talking about the width of it. So this is a 16-inch one, and the other one is a Greenworks Dethatcher, and this is a 14-inch device. Now I have used both of these and put both of these together. I'm going to demonstrate both of them on this video and tell you about the pros and cons of both of them. As far as assembly go, I would say that the Greenworks was slightly easier to assemble, but assembly was not difficult on either one. The actual main part of the machine comes already assembled. You're basically putting the handles on both of them. So assembly is not a big deal. Both of them are electric, so they're going to run off of with an extension cord and electricity. A couple of the primary differences between these two is the Rock&Rocker comes with these scarifying tines as well. So if you want to scarify your lawn, which is these are metal tines that are not only going to dethatch but also dig down into the soil to kind of break up, do some vertical cutting into the soil if you're looking for a more serious rejuvenation of your lawn. It also comes with the dethatching tines, which is what's going to be similar on the other machine. Both machines are basically made of plastic with metal handles on them, so they're very lightweight and maneuverable. The Rock&Rocker feels like a little bit lighter weight plastic. It's actually very easy to maneuver. As far as adjusting the height on them, they can be adjusted height. This one has a simple handle here, which is very easy to use, so I actually give that a slight edge. On this one, you have a dial on both wheels, and it has 4 levels to where you can adjust the height on the Greenworks. Talking about the Greenworks ones here, you can see here it's going to have similar tines in it as to that one for the detachment. This one also comes with replacement tines if you need that. Another huge difference on these two machines is this one actually comes with a bag. So when you're dethatching it, it's collecting in the bag. This one does not. They do make some other devices. Greenworks makes one that actually does come with a bag and comes with a Scarifier as well if you want that. But for this particular comparison, this one just does detachment and runs off the electricity with no bag. This one does detachment and scarification and includes the bag. Now as far as performance goes, I'm actually demonstrate both of them just real briefly. This one's basically pulling the thatch up from the bottom layer of the grass there and putting it on top of the grass. You could come by with a bag and mower or something like that if you wanted to. Just one quick word about thatch. Some people would look at a lawn and say, is this thatch here? Well, thatch is not necessarily last year's dead grass clippings. Thatch is grass clippings that do not break down very quickly in the lawn. So a lot of these grass clippings are going to break down quickly, but in certain grass types, the thatch will stay there for a long time. And what that does, actually the roots need air and water. And so when you get so much thatch build up, it keeps those nutrients from getting down to the roots, which can damage the grass. It also can trap a lot of heat in the hot summer weather, which is not good. So let's just do a quick demonstration running each machine. My honest opinion is you can't go wrong with either one. They're both going to do a good job of dethatching. Just if you want to collect the clippings while you're dethatching, then I would certainly recommend this one. If you're okay just dethatching it, then this one would be adequate. You just need to find another way to collect the clippings. As far as performance go, I think you could be happy with either one of them. This one's a little bit larger. They're both very maneuverable and both seem well built. Now again, they are made out of primarily plastic as far as the main frame of it. So just understand that when you're deciding which one to purchase. You can see how it's pulling up material that's down here in the bottom and pulling up, and you could rake that up or use a bag and mower. Now let me show you the other one real quick. See, in a very similar way, it's doing the same thing in the grass. It's just collecting it in a bag for you. If the bagging sounds like a good idea, which I think it is, the one thing you got to understand, if your yard is decent size and has a lot of grass on it, then you may understand you may have to empty this bag quite a few times because it's going to fill it up pretty quickly.